just wanna feel alive.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Memories channel. I'm so delighted to share this vlog of the simple celebration at our home. Now after spending a very nice Diwali celebration at 2 restaurants, we had a simple celebration at our home too. So 4th and 6th we had a celebration of Diwali in one restaurant here in Grenoble. But there was a special time with family and just me and Sudeep and our baby. We spent us like a time together, a very simple celebration, and I hope you love it. And let me take you around how we spent this simple celebration of Diwali at our home here in France. Now it may be any festival, but the festive vibes and the celebration, it makes us all close together, us all family members. So come, let us enjoy the spirit of togetherness. Now me and my husband, we come from a different cultural background. Like my husband is Hindu and I am a Christian, but I believe that it may be any festival, but you must enjoy togetherness. This is the spirit of togetherness. And as an Indian, we come from a different cultural backgrounds. We have so much of diversities in our country, but still we are united together, and this is what is the beauty of Indians. So we come, we celebrate each other's festival, and this festive season, it brings us all together. So by participating in the festival, you are not changing your faith with your Lord or with whatever the God. So nobody can change what your faith is with your God. But only thing is, I wanted to mention this because, you know, despite forgetting our caste, religion and everything, we come together, and this is about the spirit of togetherness, I believe, and celebrating it together. It may be any Eid, it may be Christmas, or it may be a Diwali, but as an Indian, we know how to enjoy this together. Diwali sweets thali. It's called as Farar. And this Farar, it consists, this is a homemade Diwali sweets. So this is this year's 2021 Diwali's Farar thali. This is the homemade tomato shev. This is Shankar Pai and Chakli. This is the first time I have tried Chakli and it was nice. It's very nice. And Rava Ladu, Besan Ladu, and ha milk peda hai. So yeah, this is all like only this Chakli and tomato shev I have tried first time. So yeah, this is the first Diwali's 2021's thali. Farar thali. This homemade Diwali sweets and namkeen we distributed in our with our close friends, and they really liked it. Of course, few are Indian and few are French, but they liked this homemade Diwali sweets, and even my husband liked it. And all these Diwali sweets, in fact, they are not made on one single day. I choose 1 week prior, so every day one sweet in the night, like after my cooking the dinner and everything. So I used to cook this one item each day. So like this 1 week's time I had taken to just cook one item per day in 1 week. So for Diwali celebration, in fact in the home, we just made a simple vegetarian menu, and I'll just show you what all it is. It's actually made in the evening, so I'll just share with you. So this is onion pakoda, it's a starter, onion pakoda, and this is paneer fry. You can see it's a homemade paneer, and just simple I have fried it with. Then made some puris, puri and amras puri. This is the combination, amras puri, and also with the puris, this is the, like, you can have the puri and amras, and puri and this is aloo ki sabji, in fact, like just to have with the puri. It's very tasty. You can see it's semi-liquid and it's very nice. Actually I'm full just by cooking all the food. So yeah, it's with the puri, it's sabji, aloo sabji, and amras. Then here this is a moong dal. Moong dal Sudeep has prepared. He prepares very nice moong dal, simple thick moong dal. Then here it is a rice, and then for the dessert we have made this mango lassi, and mango lassi is very tasty, in fact. And here we have these are some homemade gulab jamuns. You can see homemade gulab jamuns with pista. So yeah, overall this is our food for the homemade little bit. You can see. So I'll just plate all this food in the I'll just plate this food. It smells very good. So this is the thali, and I just showed you what else is there in the thali. Let me show you. In this thali there is simple mugachi dal and rice, moong dal and rice. Then this is the puri, and this is the simple aloo ki sabji, potato vegetable. It goes very good with the puri. So this is the combination. Then this is the onion pakoda, and this is paneer fry, homemade paneer fry, and this is brinjal fry, in fact. This one is brinjal fry. And in this, so this is how the thali looks. It's homemade food, simple vegetarian food. Actually I wanted to make something paneer dish, but there was not much time. And then with the puri, with this puri, you can have in the sweet, we have amras. Amras is basically a mango pulp. Okay, so this is amras. Then these are the homemade gulab jamun with lots of pista. You can see amras, we like really amras a lot. And then there is this mango lassi. Mango lassi is also very nice. So yeah, in sweet dish we made this, Sudeep has made, in fact, mango lassi, and I prepared this gulab jamun. Gulab jamun is there, and then this is amras. So yeah, this is the food.